Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a colorful topic that many of you might relate to: patriotic paint projects that didn't quite hit the mark. Yep, we're talking about those red, white, and blue projects that seemed like a great idea at first but turned out, well, a little less than stellar. So let me paint you a picture, pun totally intended. You wanted to spruce up your backyard for the 4th of July, maybe a flag mural on the fence or some patriotic stripes on your deck furniture. Sounds simple, right? But then, after hours of hard work, you step back and realize, yikes, the colors are clashing, the lines are wobbly, and it looks more like a preschool art project than a Pinterest masterpiece. First off, don't stress. We've all been there, right? The good news is there are some quick fixes you can do to salvage your patriotic pride. Step 1, let's start with color correction. If your red looks more like a rusty brown or your blue resembles a Smurf explosion, consider using a primer to cover the existing paint. Then, reapply a more balanced shade. Pro tip, test your colors on a small, inconspicuous area first. Now if your lines are more squiggly than straight, don't worry, you can fix that too. Use painter's tape to create crisp, clean lines. And, here's a trick, paint over the tape edges with the base color first. This helps seal the tape and prevents the new color from bleeding through. What if you've got drips and splatters everywhere? Grab some fine grit sandpaper and gently smooth out those drips. Then, touch up with a small brush. Remember, patience and a steady hand are your best friends here. Finally, let's talk about finishing touches. Sometimes a project just needs a little extra flair to bring it all together. Consider adding some stenciled stars or using metallic paints for a bit of sparkle. And don't forget a clear sealant to protect your hard work from the elements. Alright, DIY warriors, that's it for today. Remember, even if your patriotic paint project didn't go as planned, it's all part of the learning process. With these tips, you're well on your way to turning that DIY disaster into a dazzling display of American pride. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. And remember, every project is a chance to learn and grow. Happy painting!